Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you set up Botim app. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you step-by-step guide. So make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, you have to download and install the app. Head over to your respective app store, install Botim on the search bar, or type in Botim and install the app to the latest version. After you're done installing the app, click on the open button. Now you have to register, right? So you basically click on the get started button. It's going to ask you to type in the phone number and tap the next button. As you do it, so it's going to ask you to enter in the 6-digit code that's going to be sent through an SMS. So here it is. You just need to go ahead and type in and click on the continue button at the bottom of the page. When you do this, it's going to ask you to enable notification as well as enable contact access. If you want to do it, so click on allow, otherwise click on the skip at the top and make sure to allow your contact, maybe yes, and then if you want to receive notification, maybe allow. And with that being said, you've successfully created or registered for Botim. Now what you could do is simply click on the initials at the top. You click on the profile and then you could go ahead and add in a profile picture. You could go ahead and add in your all these information, and this is how you can begin with the Botim. So with that being said, we've come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.